la.
Oh, you have a dog.
Nah, I ain't got no damn dog.
Well, then, whose dog is that?
Oh, shit. That's not no dog. That's family. Hey, cousin. Come here, boy.
He looks really mad. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. He just misses me, that's all. Okay, boy. Playtime's over. Let me out.
You want me to go for help?
No, we're just having fun. Oh, you sure I'll play for me, eh? Oh, you want to go blow me up, boy? I'll be right back.
You know what? Forget this. I'm out of here. I'm taking a guy, and his dog is biting him. And I'm gonna go. Okay, what's he doing now? What's that?
Don't pay him no mind. He's just gonna do that till he falls asleep. Now, where were we? Wine. Oh, God.
You know, I like a woman with a little extra something. A little cushion, I'd really love for you to come to one of my games.
No, thank you. I've seen you play. Not impressed.
Excuse me? I'm the highest scoring forward in the league.
Yeah, but all that talent, totally overshadowed by nothing but scandals and pure laziness. I mean, come on. You're shooting under 50% from the free throw line, okay? Your turnover ratio, abysmal. And on top of that, you can't shoot three-pointers to save your life. So, squeeze me.
No one's ever cared like that before. Come here, baby.
Oopsie, I had a poopsie.
Girl, we gonna get along just fine. Back at you. Oh. Bask in the ambience. Basking in the ambience.
So no, I jump over the fence, fall, I scrape my knee.
Get out of here.
No, seriously, listen. I scrape my knee, I get chased by the cops, and I spend the night in jail.
That's insane. You did all that just to find J-Lo and Ben's hideaway?
I can't help it. You know, investigative journalism is my passion.
So how'd you end up writing puff pieces for the local news?
Unfortunately, I made some enemies and ended up getting fired from my last job.
What happened?
Oh, believe me, you don't want to know about that.
Look, I spent all night talking about myself. Sometimes it's good for a man to just sit back and listen.
Well, since you put it that way. I did this piece on Warren Vanderbilt. Him and his partners tried to swindle a guy.
You talking about Ted Burton?
Yeah, how did you know that?
It was in the paper. I read about it.
Well, but what they didn't report in the paper was that Burton was 10 times smarter than all of them. He embezzled millions and stashed it in an offshore account. When Vanderbilt heard the story was going to break, he didn't want to be embarrassed. Well, there goes my job. You know, you're a good listener. It seems like you have the whole package.
Oh, man. Hello?
Yo, Kev, you gotta go.
What? Now?
Yeah, now. We on our way.
Come on, man. Can't you stall him for a little while?
Look, This man sang to me, he tried to kiss me, and on top of that, he been farting for the last 20 minutes.
All right, I'll be there in a minute. Bye.
Oh, Cottontail.
I'm coming, nigga.
Gomez, what the hell are we looking for?
I don't know. Something just ain't right about these girls. I'm gonna check the bathroom. Find anything?
No. Not yet.
You're not gonna believe what the hell are you doing?
Sniffing chicks' underwear, man. It's peaked. It's what? They're guys, aren't they?
Wow. You really are disgusting.